Hey, John Sauter here with Sauter Engineering Corporation. We've been testing the slip resistance of floors here in America for 25 years now. And that's all we do, basically. We offer some anti-slip floor solutions, but we've been testing floors for 25 years with all with the good tests and the bad tests. America is known for bad slip resistance tests created by the tile industry here. This is the pendulum tester. ASTM E303 is the American test for this device. It's been in use for about 75 years. And it's really been popular for the past 50 years, and 50 nations around the world all have a published test method for this device. It basically strikes the floor for 5 inches and then gives us a reading. It's just like a heel strike. And so this is a well-trusted device all around the world. This is what the American tile industry lately is wanting you to believe is good science and a safety assessment. But it says on page 1 of the test method that you should not use this to assess safety, the BOT-3000E. It says it's for comparing surfaces and not for assessing safety. And there's so many disclaimers throughout ANSI A326.3 that when you're done reading the disclaimers, you realize, yeah, this is not a way to assess the safety of a floor because it just gives a lot of nonsense answers on a lot of really slippery floors. Let's check it out. Here I have a very polished, you can see here in the light, it's very slippery, it's very shiny. I can do this all day long. It's very slippery. And my shoe, as I pulled it off my foot, says the exact same thing on this shiny sample. It's just slippery. You're not, once you get on here on some water, you're hydroplaning. So what does the pendulum say? Trusted in over 50 nations for 50 years. It says we've got a pendulum test value of 14, which is a dynamic coefficient of friction of 0.14, which means, according to people all over the world, this is a slippery floor. Hey, we got the truth from the pendulum tester. Now, let's use the American tile industries, ANSI A326.3, and see what they have to say. We'll put on their prescribed water for the test. And we'll run just a quick run with the American Tile Industries test, which should never be used to assess safety. Ever. It says so right there in the ANSI A326.3 test method. Do not use it as an assessment of safety. Here we have got a 47. That's anything above a 0.42. They're saying, that's safe. That's safe, says the tile industry. According to the science of the rest of the world, this is a very slippery tile. You should not put this in a place where it is going to get wet. So, trust the tile industry, test the science of the world. Up to you. Thanks for listening and have a safe day.